Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets, your trusted source for valuable investment insights, stock recommendations, and strategies to help you achieve financial freedom. In today's video, we'll delve into the top 3 undervalued semiconductor stocks for stellar growth in March 2024. In the realm of investment, patience is not just a virtue, it's a strategy, particularly within the semiconductor sector, where undervalued stocks often lie in wait, ready to surge to unprecedented levels. So before we start, if you find value in this video, please support our channel by liking and subscribing to our weekly updates. Now, let's get started. Consider NVIDIA, which skyrocketed from a modest beginning to awe-inspiring peaks. From the outset of 2023, NVIDIA's stock catapulted from a modest $150 to an astonishing peak of $974. Similarly, Advanced Micro Devices, another titan, which more than doubled in value, captivating the market with its meteoric rise. Advanced Micro Devices saw its stock escalate from $110 to $227. Yet as the tides of the market ebb and flow, these giants have momentarily receded, presenting a golden opportunity for the astute investor. However, as with all highs, a recalibration is often inevitable. These stocks are currently experiencing a retreat, primarily due to overvaluation and a shift from greed to caution among investors. Yet this pullback is likely a mere pause in their upward trajectory, especially considering the insatiable demand for semiconductors, a demand that is only expected to grow. Forecasts suggest the global semiconductor market, valued at $527.9 billion in 2021, could burgeon to an impressive $1.4 trillion, thanks to persistent demand. Major players like Taiwan Semiconductor are ramping up production to meet this growing need, signaling a robust future for the industry. But why should you care about semiconductor stocks, you might ask? Because, dear viewer, in the pulse of technology that powers our world, from smartphones to electric vehicles, lies a tale of opportunity, innovation, and growth. And it's a tale that's only getting started, with predictions of the global semiconductor market reaching astronomical figures. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to dip your toes into the vast ocean of investment opportunities, today's video is tailored for you. We'll guide you through the maze of the market, spotlighting opportunities for strategic investments in both towering giants and undervalued stocks poised for a rebound. And remember, if you find a spark of insight or a nugget of wisdom in our discussion, show us some love by liking and subscribing to our channel for your weekly dose of investment knowledge. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the fascinating world of semiconductor stocks and discover how they can light up your investment portfolio. Number 1. Aehr Test Systems, trading under the ticker AHR. A pioneering force in the development of critical test systems for logic, optical, and memory integrated circuits. Imagine uncovering a hidden gem in the bustling world of semiconductor stocks, a company that not only plays a pivotal role in the technological revolution, but also stands on the cusp of exponential growth. This innovative company has been at the forefront of supporting the electric vehicle (EV) sector, providing indispensable testing equipment and services. As the EV market surged, so too did the value of AEHR Test Systems, with its stock experiencing significant gains. However, a temporary dip in EV sales growth caused its shares to fall from their peak of approximately $50 to a mere $16.22. Yet this setback might just be the pause before a spectacular rebound. Here's why Aehr Test Systems deserves your attention. The potential for a dramatic resurgence in EV sales is on the horizon, especially if the Federal Reserve decides to slash interest rates. Such a move could ignite the EV market once more, propelling AEHR into a favorable position. Moreover, with Bloomberg forecasting a 22% surge in the EV sector this year alone, expecting global passenger EV sales to jump by 21% to 16.7 million units, 70% of which are projected to be fully electric, the prospects for Aehr Test Systems look bright. The company's unwavering confidence in its long-term vision, despite earlier cuts in guidance, underscores a robust belief in its technology and its role in the future of EVs and beyond. Aehr Test Systems isn't just another company in the semiconductor space. It's a visionary enterprise with its eyes set on the future. With a suite of products essential for testing the complex components that power today's and tomorrow's EVs, AEHR is not just a good company to invest in. It's a gateway to participating in the green revolution. Its resilience and strategic positioning in the rapidly expanding EV market underscore a compelling opportunity for investors looking for growth in a sustainable and technologically driven future. Before we dive into the next semiconductor stock, let's spark a quick discussion. If you could invest in one tech area for the next decade, would it be semiconductors, AI, or something else? Why? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Now onto our next hidden gem. Number 2. Lattice Semiconductor, marked by its ticker LSCC. Lattice isn't just another player in the semiconductor field. It's a company that zeroes in on the highly sought-after field programmable gate arrays, or FPGAs. This niche has been so hot that it's sparked a flurry of acquisitions, highlighting the sector's value and potential. A prime example is AMD's strategic acquisition of Xilinx in 2022, underscoring the growing demand and integration of FPGAs into the technological landscape. Despite facing challenges like oversupply issues, Lattice Semiconductor is on a path to recalibration and rebound. The company is optimistic about a turnaround in the latter half of this year, anticipating a normalization in customer inventories. James Anderson, the CEO of Lattice, has voiced confidence in the company's profitability in the upcoming quarters, suggesting a solid foundation for growth. Adding to this optimism, Deutsche Bank, recognizing Lattice's resilience and potential, initiated coverage with a buy rating and set a price target of $70. Their analysis suggests that any current market challenges are already reflected in Lattice's stock price, hinting at limited downside with significant upside potential. Moreover, Lattice Semiconductor has demonstrated its commitment to creating value for its shareholders through a $250 million share buyback program, extending through December 2024. This move is a testament to the company's strong financial position and its leadership's confidence in the future. From its strategic focus on FPGAs to its proactive measures to ensure profitability and shareholder value, Lattice Semiconductor represents a compelling opportunity. Its ability to navigate through industry cycles and its potential for growth make LSCC a noteworthy consideration for investors eyeing the semiconductor space. With the stock's recent surge from about $55 to $80 and the potential to reach even higher benchmarks, Lattice Semiconductor is poised to adjust its sails and chart a course towards new horizons as we continue to navigate the dynamic terrain of the semiconductor industry. Here is the last undervalued stock that may present a golden opportunity for savvy investors. Number 3. Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull, 3X shares, ticker SOXL, an exchange-traded fund that amplifies the stakes with its ambitious goal to achieve daily investment results of 300% of the performance of the NYSE Semiconductor Index. This ETF, with an expense ratio of 0.94%, houses heavyweights like AMD, Nvidia, and Broadcom among its top holdings, showcasing a roster of industry leaders poised for growth. The journey of SOXL has been nothing short of dramatic. From a low of around $15 in early November, it surged to an impressive high of about $57, demonstrating the volatile yet rewarding nature of the semiconductor market. Currently trading at approximately $46, this ETF has witnessed some profit-taking among major semiconductor stocks. However, with the ongoing explosion in artificial intelligence and its insatiable appetite for semiconductor technology, this pullback might be just a brief interlude in a larger upward trend. Investing in a triple-leveraged fund like SOXL, however, is not for the faint of heart. These ETFs aim for triple the daily returns of their benchmark index, requiring them to rebalance their portfolios frequently. This level of leverage magnifies not only the potential gains, but also the risks, necessitating a strategy marked by precision and timeliness. Direction itself advises caution, noting that these funds are best suited for those who fully grasp the implications of leverage risk and are committed to actively managing their investments. For those intrigued by the high-stakes world of leveraged ETFs and confident in their investment acumen, SOXL presents an intriguing avenue to capitalize on the semiconductor sector's potential resurgence. But remember, this path demands a discerning approach, one that balances the lure of high returns against the imperative of risk management. As we draw this discussion to a close, let's cast a quick glance at the vital stats of these select semiconductor stocks. Air Test Systems stands out with its approachable market cap and price-to-earning ratio, hinting at an undervalued potential for those who dig deeper. Lattice Semiconductor, with its impressive market cap, boasts a price-to-earning ratio that might make growth-focused investors take a second look. And Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3X shares adds a little leverage to the mix, spicing up the sector with its own distinctive market cap and dividend yield. These players come together to sketch a diverse and promising landscape for those looking to invest in the semiconductor space this March. Keep in mind, this roundup is a springboard, not investment counsel. Always dive into thorough research or consult with an investment advisor before making any financial moves. As we reach the end of our journey today, exploring the electrifying world of semiconductor stocks, we hope you've been inspired by the stories of resilience, innovation, and potential that these companies and ETFs represent. Nvidia and AMD, with their astounding climbs and momentary momentary retreats remind us of the cyclic nature of markets, but also of the relentless advance of technology and its insatiable demand. This sector, with its heart beating in sync with the latest technological trends and societal shifts, offers a fertile ground for those looking to sow the seeds of their investments in fertile soil. The semiconductor industry, poised to grow from a valuation of $527.9 billion in 2021 to an estimated $1.4 trillion, is not just a market segment. It's the backbone of modern technology, powering everything from the simplest gadgets in our homes to the most complex systems in our cars and servers. The stories of Air Test Systems and Lattice Semiconductor, alongside the strategic play with Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3X shares, underscore a landscape rich with opportunity but navigated best with knowledge, caution, and a keen eye for potential. And there you have it, folks, the rundown on today's most undervalued semiconductor stocks. But before we sign off, let's look ahead. What tech innovation do you believe will shape our future investments the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Investing in semiconductors means investing in a future shaped by AI, electric vehicles, and more, anticipating the next big wave and preparing to ride it. Thanks for joining us. If you've gained new insights, please like and subscribe to Simple Investing Secrets and support our mission to make investing clear and engaging. Remember, investing is a long-term journey, fueled by knowledge and patience. You're investing in a future where technology leads the way, a journey well worth taking. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and let the world of investments unlock new horizons for you. Goodbye for now, and see you in our next video.